Hey, my name is Rebecca with Cell Phone Repair Weatherford, and today we were presented with this iPad 8 with this very shattered screen. So we're going to start off by taking it and heating it up on our heat mat at 194 Fahrenheit. Then we're going to take it off as soon as it's heated and start removing that glass. We use a little bit of alcohol and a metal tool to pry that up, and then we remove our 4 Phillips LCD screws. And once we get all of those screws out, we're going to be lifting that LCD display up. We have to be super careful not to touch it because it is difficult to get fingerprints off of it. Then we're going to unplug that battery connector, put some plastic underneath, and remove that bracket covering the display cable and home button cables as well. That's us unplugging the LCD, and then both display cables. And then we're removing the sticker that goes over the home button flex cable. That can take a second. And now we're going to remove that screen and take that home button out of that screen and scrape up any old adhesive or glass on the frame so it doesn't crack the new screen when it goes down. Now that we've secured that new home button into the new screen, we're just going to plug those things back in. And then we're going to put that LCD back down. There is still glass all over the table, so we do put plastic over the screens so they don't get any new scratches. And now we're going to remove those adhesive strip covers. They can take a minute to come off sometimes, but we just remove those so the new screen will be properly secured. And then we close it up and it is good to go. Good as new.